Now with the bumper out of our way, which is, first pull the lever, then push the lever. Listen to my podcast. And you gotta put that in the hole. So here's what we see so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push pins. Center pops out as typical. And I also see here this little guide right here. So we also have more push pins over here. And let's go see what's on the bottom, because I'm assuming this pops away from the bumper. So let's get some tools. Alright, so this release is actually a 2-stage. Kind of stupid, but you gotta push both of these. You see how there's a squeeze on both sides, and this kind of silly. So that's what you got to do. Push that down, push this over, and squeeze them. So let's go get. Let's see if this will work better. Way better. So what you're doing is you're squeezing these down like this. See from the side, squeezing them down, and this just releases. So let's keep going. Let's get the other push pins out. Get these guys. See what happens. So before we take out all the 152 torques, or maybe just pushes, we got torques here. Take this 10 mil out. This 10 mil is relieving the pressure of the wheel cover thingy. And what we see is that little tab has to be pushed in. I don't know if you can see it. So I'll get it out and show you. Alright, so from this side, I got this tool, this hook. I pulled this out toward me, and then you change, which is idiotic. So you got this one, you got to push. So this one, you got to push, but if you gently, you see, it'll come apart. This we got to take back out so you can put it back properly. See, there's another one right there, little white clip. All right, so you got the white clips back out. With this guy, came from under and popped them out. You see, you want to retrieve them so this can go back nice and smooth, or nice and even, either way. You got that one 10 mil right there. So let's continue. Another 10 mil right here, and there was another push pin I didn't show you over here. There's a third one that hides up here that relieves the pressure from, you see, we can probably pop that one out too to really get in here, but you could probably just twist this and get a drill in there. So you got plenty of workable room. Let's get the bottom. So now with this side, same thing. You see, just enough. Now we got to get torques. That's what it looks like. You got there, probably some 20s. These are pushes, so let's get them out. Now these tend to be difficult because they get all the grime and the dirt from road. So we got so far the pushes, and these were, yes, T20s, and just high enough so you can get your drill in here. This is, where you at, buddy? Where you at? Is that a T20 right there? Yeah, it's T20. So let's continue the journey and see what else. We got another one there, another one up there. So let's get these ass out. All right, so that one can stay. This one needs to pop out, and the bumper comes out towards you, and she's already coming. She's already starting. So let's go get the other side. All right, so 4 torques are out. Last push pin. We got the 110 mil out, and you see how the bumper sort of sits around this little. I'll show you, it pops out. You see? You see? Now with 2 hands, so let's get this guy ready so we don't scratch him. Let's see what happens. Hey, look, we found a friend. So let's get this guy up out of our way, and there you go. Let's get back to the headlight. We got one here, one definitely there. This is a push pin that pops out. There's another 10 mil right there. Let's see if that's all you need to get this out. Looks like there might be another one somewhere, so let's get them out. Funny enough, after the push pin, after the 10 mil, after the other 10 mil, and after another 10 mil, and another 10 mil, the hardest part of getting out is this guy. This little nub right here wants to sit really tight in this hole. So let's get, see, right there. This guy, a little guide that you have to pop off. So let's get this up out of our hands so we don't scratch anything. And there you have it. Is there a part number? Let's see if there is. So I don't see a part number other than this thing. But there you go. There you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.